Ciao a tutti, welcome to Daily Italian with Elena. I am Elena and in today's video we are going to learn the colors in Italian. Let's get started. So the first color is going to be my favorite color, yellow. So giallo, giallo, rosso, rosso, rosa, rosa, verde, verde, blu, blu, azzurro, azzurro, bianco, bianco, nero, nero, marrone, marrone, grigio, grigio, arancione, arancione, beige, beige, fucsia, fucsia, viola, viola. How to say if a color is light or dark? We add chiaro and scuro. If I want to say light red or dark red, I'm going to say rosso scuro, rosso chiaro, rosso chiaro, rosso scuro. Same with any other color. Marrone chiaro, marrone scuro. Verde chiaro, verde scuro. Something you need to be careful to is how to change this color as an adjective according to the noun it follows. So when you have a noun that's female, for example, or that's plural, how do they change? All the colors ending with no go after the noun and they change just like any other adjective. So, il libro rosso, la macchina rossa, I libri rossi, le macchine rosse. What happens to the colors that ends with an I, just like arancione, just like the adjectives ending with an I, they only have one form for the singular, one form for the plural. So, il libro arancione, I libri arancioni, la macchina arancione, le macchine arancioni. So just I for the singular and I for the plural. But now we have some colors that ends with another vowel. For example, rosa. For example, viola, blu. What happens to these colors? In this case, the color always stays the same. Male, female, singular, plural, it's always the same. Il libro rosa, I libri rosa, la macchina rosa, le macchine rosa, always the same. La casa blu, le case blu, il bambino blu, I bambini blu. And the same thing happens to the colors that sounds not an Italian word, because they are not an Italian word, just like fucsia, just like beige or bordeaux. They are not an Italian word, so they're not going to change. They're always going to stay the same. La casa fucsia, I libri bordeaux, le macchine beige, always the same. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to always be updated with my newest videos and so that you can keep learning Italian with me. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!